So today I want to talk to you about what is form. Form is an element of art. An element of art is just a part of art, of how we make things. Alongside form, there is line. As you can see, I've been using line to create the word form. Form and line work together. Now, what is line? Line is an element of art that goes in one dimension. One dimension, it goes one direction, whether it's going across, if it's going diagonal, horizontal, vertical, zigzag. Every time I move my marker, it's still going in one direction. Minds sometimes change their minds, but it's a one-dimensional thing. I can measure how long this line is. Out of lines, we can create shapes. Shapes are lines that are connected together, and instead of going in just one dimension, it has two dimensions. So shapes are two-dimensional, and those dimensions are how tall or height, or wide or width. So you have height and width on all of these shapes, whether you're making a triangle, a circle, a rectangle, a square, or any of the other shapes. So that brings us back to form. Form is a 3D shape. 3D shapes are ones that take up height, width, and depth, how far into the space it goes. So, form having those three dimensions, height, width, and depth. Instead of being a flat shape, those flat shapes, when become forms, are 3D. So now I have some three-dimensional forms of my shapes. I have a triangular prism. I have a cube. I have a sphere. I have a cylinder. In art, form is used most often in sculptures. Form can be shown in two different ways in art as well. Form can be real form, just like my Play-Doh forms that I've created here. Or it can be implied, like my word form here, where I can take a shape that is two-dimensional, like my square, and turn it into a cube. Or I can take my triangle and turn it into a triangular prism. Or I can take my rectangle and turn it into a cylinder. I can make it look implied, as if it were a three-dimensional form on a flat piece of paper, or I can make it real, where I really take anything and create a three-dimensional piece of art.